Welcome back to Roof Raider Academy. A little smudgy on the camera there. Hello. Got my hair out today. Beautiful day up here in sunny Pennsylvania, on the outskirts of good old Pittsburgh, doing a roof inspection. So, beautiful custom built neighborhood. It's wonderful. These houses look great. You know, probably a lot of money invested in having a quality roof. Probably except that one, that looks like 3-tab. But driving by, you'd think, oh, I don't want to walk down that, knock a door. Why would I do that? Why would you? It's such a waste of time. All over. So this one, we're in, like I said, Pennsylvania, so we do get snow here. Steep slopes are important. Make sure you're doing, you know, appropriate safety for that. Hey dudes are wonderful. But some of these even, I'm not going on this slope with hey dudes. You should really have something more better. But all over this roof, let's work my way down. All over this roof, we have this problem. And here's not so bad. But the problem is, once you give the wind a little something to grab onto, please hold, you get problems like this. Here we have the shifting. I put these little marks here to highlight that that's shifting. We're on the front slope. This is area number 4, high wind. X's are nails that are pulled out. You guys know the standard. I draw the line as far as it's lifting. If the glue is tied in right there, I won't do it there. There we got shifting with the nails. Now, you might think like, oh, well, that's snow load ripping the shingles off. How up there is that happening? And it's primarily on the front side. So this must be the windward side, and these like funnels here are going to create kind of shooting high velocity air. So I'm surprised we're not having more problems up there. But on the opposite side, we're having the same problem in that turbulent region. So that all checks with chart. But this is so bad. This whole shingle, all 4 of these nails are pulled, and this whole thing is lifting as a sheet. So every time you get a Thursday summer storm, that's happening, and that is slowly working the nails up and out. If it's not tearing them off of the nails, eventually this thing will bed sheet and rip the whole thing. If they have like a tornado touchdown in this valley. Not something you can see from the road, especially this road, and some people are intimidated to go work the bigger, better houses. Well, I could go ahead and check this whole thing, but we're 2 stories up, relatively steep slope. That's a big drop. Front side's a lot easier. So I'm not going to do that. On the front side, we can see there we got.
Well, Ashley came out and he said, hey,
that happened.
Show me.
So, yep, pretty much concludes this video. I'll let you guys get back at her. Love you, bye.